How to connect PayPal to Hotwire. Hotwire is an online travel booking platform that specializes in providing discounted rates for hotels, rental cars, flights, and vacation packages. So first go to Hotwire website, www.hotwire.com. Then sign in your account on Hotwire. Then select your destination on Destination option. Then select Check-in and Check-out date. On Guests section, select how many room you need. Then click on Find a Hotel. Then select your best deal hotel. Then, in Billing page, select PayPal as payment option. Then put your PayPal details. That's it. Thanks for watching.